The last thing is that we should recite Noble Quran with tajweed. As Allah Ta'ala revealed Noble Quran with tajweed, as written in books, Al-Akhdu with tajweed hatmun lazimun, man lam yujawwid al-Qur'ana azimun, li'annahu bihil ilahu anzala, wa hakadha minhu ilayna wasala. Allah Ta'ala revealed Noble Quran with tajweed. As someone asked Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu about the verse warattil al-Qur'ana tartila. What is tartil? Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu said to say the letters with tajweed and know where you should stop. Wa tajweed al-hurufi wa ma'rifat al-wuqufi. That was the answer of Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So if we don't recite Noble Quran with tajweed, we will be sinner. We will commit sin, because there are mistakes in Noble Quran. If we recite without tajweed and we do these mistakes, we will be sinner. Because in Noble Quran there are two types of mistakes. We are saying in Arabic lahan, to mistake, and there are lahan jali, great mistake, clear mistake, and on the other hand there is a lahn khafi, which is not clear and which is not great mistake. So if we commit lahn jali, the meaning of Noble Quran would be changed. And there are four great mistakes in Noble Quran. First mistake, we change zabar zer arpej to other movement. Like if there is zabar, we say zer. If there is zer, we say zabar. That is the first great mistake. Second mistake is that we change letter with letter. Like if there is alhamdulillah, we say alhamdulillah. There is a changing of meaning, and that is a great sin. The third, if the letter is long and we say short, like if there is anzalna, we say anzalna. That is mistake. And if there is a letter is short and we say long, if there is anzala, we are saying anzala. That is great. Four mistakes. So we should learn about tajweed. We should know about tajweed. हमें तजवीद के बारे में पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि तजवीद के बगैर पढ़ना ये बहुत बड़ा गुनाह है। हमें पता नहीं होता कि हम अपने कुरान पाक में कैसी कैसी गलतियां करते हैं। हम तजवीद ना जानने की वजह से अपनी नमाज भी गलत पढ़ते हैं। जैसे दुआए कुनूत के अंदर अगर हम यूं कह दें वनशकुरु का वला नकफुरुका, अगर कोई यूं कह दे वनशकुरु का वला नकफुरुका, जैसा कि बाज़ लोगों को इतना पता नहीं होता, वो कह देते हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये बनता है कि अल्लाह हम तेरा शुक्र भी करते हैं, साथ हम तेरी नाफरमानी भी करते हैं। हालांकि हमें क्या नहीं होता है।